Images are one of the most important tools in your web design. Although we can download any number of images from the internet by right-clicking and saving them as PNG or JPEG, it does not guarantee that this is now our property. Until and unless it is specified it's free to use, you cannot use them. Most of the world has defaulted to Berne Convention, which says that the copyrights are by default assigned to the author. Until and unless it's stated that you can use them freely, you cannot. Like typography and colors, images also convey emotion. Happy faces will convey happy emotion, and sad and angry faces will convey the similar emotion. Make sure you are using right images when you want to convey emotions through your website. Another important topic when it comes to images is to make sure that you are using the correct sizes of images. If you are using high resolution images, they will be bigger in size. If you not really need them, make sure you are compressing them and using the size that is required. Some frameworks like Next.js provide you built-in capabilities for image resizing. For example, if you are displaying an image for a profile avatar which is small, Next.js would automatically get and fetch the smaller version for your image. If you are not using a framework like this, make sure you are paying attention carefully to the image sizes, because big image sizes can drastically decrease performance of your web application. Something similar to images is icons. As images and the other assets on the internet, icons are also copyrighted materials. Fortunately, we have many different libraries which allow us to use free icons. For example, Font Awesome, Material Icons, and Hero Icons. They also have pro versions, but make sure you are using the correct one. While images are for bigger elements like backgrounds, I can give you visual context for your actions and your headings. Make sure you are using the icons which users are familiar with. For example, it's not a good idea to use a computer icon for a website link, whereas the other websites generally use a link icon for a website link. One thing is to note that it's not necessary to use icons or images. There are many websites online which don't use icons or images. They just use correct principles of hierarchy, layout, and contrast. Even if you're not using images and just resorting to those principles, your design will look a lot more better. We covered almost 7 principles of designs, which will help you make your designs look a lot better than they were before. In the next chapter, we will see how we can start a project, brainstorm, and take it to the finish line without wasting a lot of time. See you in the next chapter.